This standard depth French door refrigerator by GE has a fresh food capacity of 16.3 and a freezer capacity of 7.26 for a total capacity of 23.8 cubic feet. It has a dark gray charcoal case, a stainless front, 3 color-matched stainless handles, and an external ice and water dispenser with all controls on the refrigerator and freezer conveniently located on the dispenser. Inside is LED lighting, a water filter, and 5 spill-proof glass shelves. The 4 half shelves are adjustable. One glides back to allow room for taller items, and the bottom full shelf is stationary. Below the shelves are 2 humidity-controlled crispers and 1 full-width temperature-controlled deli drawer with a divider bar. On the doors are 6 bins. 3 are deep enough for gallon storage, and all bins are removable for cleaning. The ice maker and ice storage container are also located on the door. In the freezer are 2 storage bins with divider bars.